Need to get on I-10 West? The fastest way to get there from downtown is by using the Katy-CBD HOV connector ramp. Whether you're leaving an Astros game, City Hall, or Midtown, this elevated ramp lets you bypass the nation's ninth worst bottleneck, the notorious I-10 and I-45 interchange. Not only does this route save time, it spares you that headache. To access it, head to Franklin Street on the north end of downtown. That's where the entrance begins. On Franklin, shift to the far right lane before Bagby. That way, you won't miss the turn. Continue through the Bagby intersection and prepare to enter the ramp on your right. Reminder, this is an HOV ramp. You must have 2 or more people in your vehicle. Congratulations! You've entered the I-10 West Katy Freeway. Uptown, Memorial City, the Energy Corridor, and Katy await you.